Hey guys, what's up? Meg here from AVO. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today I have Delon here from Powerbrake, and he brought his Tundra, and he's going to talk to us today about the big brake kits that he has on the Tundra. All right, Delon, what do you have for us today?
Yeah, thanks, Meg. Usually when we're here at AVO, we're talking about overland or 4x4 trucks that are going off-road. Today we're going to do it a little differently. This is a 2019 Tundra that is a real workhorse. We tow trailers with it, we load inventory on it. Often we get big air freight shipments that come in and we have to load pallets on, and they're really heavy. And the brakes just struggle. The original Toyota brakes are quite small in terms of what the brake pad size is and the rotor size. So what we've done here is we've got a big brake kit that's a 6-piston caliper, and then it's a 14.5-inch rotor that's curved vane. I'm going to walk you through that. The really nice thing is we fit under any 18-inch Toyota OE wheel, and that means also any 18-inch aftermarket wheel. So our big brake kit will fit under those original wheels, no problem when you're on a workhorse truck. So what we have is we have a 6-piston billet aluminum caliper. First thing is this big bridge on the top. And what's important about that, under hydraulic pressure, the caliper wants to spread itself open and you lose rigidity. Rigidity is really important because it gives pedal modulation, and pedal modulation gives you confidence when you're braking. So what we don't want is that original Toyota caliper's got a big gap over here, and as it's under pressure, it's flexing and it loses that pedal modulation and that confidence that you'll have in the brakes. Then uniquely, we bolt from the back of the caliper. So on the billet aluminum, we machine away a huge section over here so that we can fit under all of those 18-inch wheels. On the back of the caliper, we have temperature measurement. So every single caliper will hold the highest temperature that it's ever been to. So if there's ever a reason we need to go and look at what's going on with the brakes, we can know where that temperature is. And remember, the one thing we're always fighting in brakes with heavy weight and using the towing and that type of stuff on the truck is temperature is a constant battle that we're trying to fight in the brake system. Then going internally, we have stainless steel pistons, not aluminum. And the reason for that is stainless steel transfers heat a lot slower than aluminum does. So what that does is the brake fluid that sits here in the caliper is really protected, and that temperature is kept away from it. We also have internal wiper seals. So if you ever do take your workhorse off-road for the weekend and you want to have some fun with it, any of that muck and dirt that you're going to encounter on the dirt roads is not going to be going through a brittle, damaged wiper seal. So we do that all internally. And then just recessed bleeder screws. So if a stone ever does come through, if you are enjoying it off-road, then you've got that well protected. And then moving to the rotor. So the rotor will be 14.5 inches, so much larger in diameter. And then importantly, our internal cooling vanes are curved, where the original one is straight. You'll also see we give you a lot more space in between. So the reason for this is, firstly, it acts like a centrifugal pump. It's going to suck air into the center of the rotor and then flow it over. So essentially what we want to do is pull air in, flow it over, and bring those temperatures down. Every single rotor's got temperature measurement paint on it. So again, considering that we're watching and we want to understand what's happening in the brake system, this will hold the highest temperature that the brakes have ever been to. So if we ever need to understand what's going on, we'll know where was the worst that this truck has ever been to. And it's a complete bolt-on solution. Everything comes in the big brake kit. What you do is you're able to install it. It's really comprehensively designed. All the hydraulic calculations are done correctly by our engineers in South Africa. You do not need to change master cylinders or anything like that. We're really focused on Toyotas as a big part of our business worldwide, and AVO has got a great range in stock. So reach out to them when you're looking at something for a workhorse truck like a Tundra.
Cool. Thanks, Delon. Appreciate it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, click that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about anything Powerbrake, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@ashevillevehicleoutfitters.com or call us at 844-667-3687. All right, bye, guys.